Hello there, welcome to Taurai Chishona. Let's speak Shona. In this video we're going to cover some Shona nouns that are related to time. And the Shona word for time is nguva. Morning is called Mangwanani. Mangwanani at the beginning of the day. Afternoon is called Masikati. Masikati. Evening is Manheru. Manheru. Night is Usiku. Usiku. Now is Zvino. Zvino. Today is Nasi. Nasi. Yesterday is Nezuro. Nezuro. Day before yesterday is Marumwezuro. Quite a long word, Marumwezuro. Tomorrow is Mangwana. Mangwana. Day after tomorrow, Kuswera Mangwana. Kuswera Mangwana. You can use some of those words that we have covered to speak of another time. For example, tomorrow morning is just cut and paste. Mangwana is tomorrow. Mangwanani, morning. So tomorrow morning is Mangwana, Mangwanani. Yesterday afternoon, the same thing, Nezuro, Masikati. Today in the evening, Nasi, Manheru. So here is our summary for the new vocabulary, the words that we just covered now. Now is Zvino. Alright. Morning is Mangwanani. Afternoon, Masikati. Evening, Manheru. Today is Nasi. Yesterday, Nezuro. Day before yesterday, Marumwezuro. Tomorrow, Mangwana. Tomorrow is Mangwana. Yes. Day after tomorrow, Kuswera Mangwana. Thank you for watching. Tinotenda Shukuru, and keep on speaking Shona. Please subscribe if you like the content of this channel. Please subscribe. If you like the video, please click on the like button and share.